So let us learn to use hash map. So first of all, import java.util.asterisk and then create a class for demo purpose ABC and the main method to execute the program. Now let us create object of hash map and add some key value pair with the help of put method. I kept here 3 unique keys with different values. So let us see on printing the object what we will have on the console. So let us compile the program and run. So we see that there is a key value pairs displayed here on a screen. Now I have to show that how we can retrieve our values on the basis of the keys. We know that there is 2 different ways to get values, and the number one is with the help of entries and the second one is with the help of keys. So first of all I will use keys to get corresponding values. So how to retrieve the keys? To get keys we have a method key set. So in this way we have a set of keys and then we can iterate with the help of iterator. And putting these keys in the hash map object we can have their corresponding values. So in this way we can get our keys, and passing keys into hash map object we can have our values. So in this way we can traverse our hash map object using key set method. Thank you.